we are at the castle. We're going to steal all of Cuba's cigars. Are you ready?
From Cuba.
We're going in. Let me open this creaky gate first. Well, come on. We're not... Okay. So, I wonder what this button does. Okay, run! Wait, let me get this well-placed spear. Okay, it's safe now, come on.
I didn't realize there was more than one animal here.
Okay, we're not gonna push that button again.
We should ring this bell!
Caw-caw! Caw-caw!
That's a strange sound for a bell.
I think I'd choose that.
Caw-caw!
Alright, we're gonna bust this door down. You ready? On three, we're gonna kick. I don't care. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Blam! Oh, blam!
Did the door just explode?
I think so. This is a strange place. Alright, come on. We're going in. Sneak.
Wait, we're supposed to be sneaking.
Dun, 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 dun.
There's old western show.
Did you see that? Did you see that tumbleweed?
It's a strange sounding tumbleweed. Never heard one that sounds like that before. Wait, they're the cigars.
Like that.
Do you have another spear by any chance?
Caw-caw!
Get out! I have this other spear.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Get out! It didn't make a sound.
5, 4,
Go, I said no.
3, 2,